It's when she wraps her fingers around yours or smiles for the first time. It's those little moments, the quiet ones, that make it all worth it. And with Lansinoh's quietest device, Smartpump 2.0 lets you pump with peace of mind. The pump will store your preferences, gently building to your perfect setting. And you can easily follow your progress on the app, so you can focus on the things that matter most. And the comfortable design makes life that much easier, so that when you're on the go, you know everything will be okay. And with our step-by-step setup guide, the Smartpump 2.0 is easy to assemble. With the Smartpump 2.0, you'll have more glass completely full moments, more smooches, more giggles, and more of those quiet moments that make it all worth it.